Obioraobiezemeditation. Obioraobiezemeditation. Obioraobiezemeditation.
Following formal cessation of military hostilities, peaceful civil administration becomes the inevitable preoccupation of every responsible adult. Obioraobiezemeditation. When war ends, all efforts in building and sustaining civil life begins. It is a fact that could not be faulted that every war always comes to an end, notwithstanding the length of its duration. And after all hostilities, what follows is the cleaning up. This would not involve the physical evacuation of debris, of destruction alone. It shall include fragmented intellectual and spiritual faculties of the ravaged populace. The implication of the above is that every warring party shall provide, both in its mind and within the military force, a functional provision for commencement of a robust civil administration at the end of hostilities. As much as possible, transformation into the civil governance needs, in fact, begin towards the resolution of the last battlefield. It follows that universally and as a matter of urgency, the military shall vacate civil governance and retire to the barracks when the war ends. They shall only confine themselves to addressing external security threats from neighboring states. The police force shall thereafter undertake the security arrangements within the civil administration. In your preferred language of salutation to the author and administrator of earth, I pray that his peace, love, and companionship shall remain with you. You are blessed. Obioraobiezemeditation.
Obioraobiezemeditation. Obioraobiezemeditation. Obioraobiezemeditation. Obioraobiezemeditation.